Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to make this wonderful collagen rich chicken feet stew. First, we're going to start off by having our blanching liquid of onion and ginger. Then you're going to trim your chicken feet of all the pointy nails. And then you're going to add this to your blanching liquid and cook for about 15 minutes. Add some bay leaves and cover it. Then you're going to remove any scum that comes on top of the water. After about 15 minutes, take this off and drain. Come back with an empty pan, clean it out because you're going to cook in the same pan. Add a little bit of oil and sear the chicken feet. So what you're going to do is basically brown it on all sides for about 5-10 minutes. When you see this nice lovely brown color, then you take them out and set them aside. To also make the stew, I'm going to chop some onion and ginger and cook this until the onions become pink. Add about a tablespoon of kitty, some oregano, and a half stick of cinnamon. Let this cook for about 10 minutes before adding your pureed tomatoes, a little bit of water, and some lovely curry powder. Stir this and allow this to cook for about 10 minutes. When the tomato is reduced, then you add your chicken feet back in. Guys, let me know in the comment section if you love chicken feet like I do. So you're going to adjust for seasoning, taste for salt, add a little chili powder. If you want more chili, go ahead. And of course, you want to add your bright, colorful vegetables. Some bell pepper and carrots are perfect. And then a little cornstarch slurry to thicken your sauce. And you can add a little bit more water if it's too thick. And add some mushrooms. I love mushrooms. And it's ready. It's so nutritious, low in calories, and it's the best thing you cook this weekend. Enjoy!